What is up everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can batch print objects using Bambu Studio. So in my case, I have two options right here, or two objects that we are going to print in batch. Basically, it doesn't matter what objects, but if you want to print them in batch, what you want to do is to navigate through the others category. So we have the quality, strength, speed, support, and lastly others. Inside others, if you scroll down, there will be the special mode option. In here, you want to look for the print sequence. Basically, there's two ways of printing your models. There's going to be by layer. So if we click on the slice plate option, basically it will then print our objects layer by layer, starting from the bottom to the top, depending on the placement of our objects. So if you want to batch print them, you want to change this into something like object, click on yes. And so basically in this way, it will be able to print objects separately. So it will start with the first one, which is going to be this one. And then it will start with the second object right here. Now you can just edit out the errors. As of right now, I have the dragon is too tall and the collisions may be caused. So we can just go ahead and maybe scale it down a bit to make sure that we encounter no problem. And basically from there, you can just click on slice plate, print your models, and from there, you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.